Manix Robinson TV and the donors that donate and make this possible. Sister, I present to you this barrel and pray that you have a safe journey back up to Kingston. Alright? Respect and blessing.
Thank you very much.
Alright. That's it, my sister. That's it.
Was I talking?
Oh my God! Whoa, guys!
The favorite thing in the world, man.
And last time I wake up, I look for mango. 11 o'clock, I look for mango on the tree and couldn't find none. God working mysterious ways. Look at this, guys. You know what kind of mango this? East Indian. Not you? Pick up what is his. So as you can see, this is his right now. And we're gonna take it off the truck, off the van, and we're gonna present it to him so that he can be on his way.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Welcome back to the channel again. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV. So people, the day is finally here. Yeah. Before I go any further, to share with you the juicy part of the story, what we're planning to do today, I'd like to thank all of you guys that have subscribed to the channel, those of you that are liking and sharing the videos. This morning, we're gonna deliver the barrels to the winners that name got drawn in the barrel giveaway blessing project thing. Today is the day that we're gonna be rendezvousing at the wharf in Montego Bay, and all of them gonna pick up their barrels, get those stuff picked up. Yeah, that's what this journey is all about, people. You like my glass? You guys like my outfit? Nice, right? Beautiful, yeah? Yeah. Anyway, X, what are you up to? You still that chill out? Why X not easy, you know? Alright, you gotta go. I'm gonna close the grill. So guys, that is what is on the agenda this morning. We're gonna jump in the city, go down to the wharf, pick up those barrels, deliver it to the winners. Them already contact them. They will be journeying down to collect what is theirs, and then we're gonna drop off this another package to another individual. Yeah, so that's what today journey is all about, guys. You know, busy, gonna be a busy day today, and I know that the individuals that want their barrels, they're gonna be super happy to get their items. Hopefully I can, you know, shoot. So yeah guys, I am on my way, taking my time coming out of the hills. See if I can beat the rush hour commute. See if I can mountain this, me I come out there, you know. Yeah, and a joke, you know. You see the mountain? Yeah. So just take with time come out of the mountain and see if we can take care of them something. Alright. Yeah. I just saw a couple of my friends them, all age school classmate. I really want to show them up on the video cast, and every man want to go up on camera. But them good. Long time I don't see them are right. So we'll see if we can just, next time I pass them, I say we can stop and talk to them off the camera and see what they're going on. So yeah people, the day is finally here. Yeah. So individual, I'm saying, I woke up this morning, I had a weird dream last night, a dream. I don't know if any of you will know the meaning of this dream, but it kind of woke up this morning out of this dream. I dreamt that I was walking in this place and I saw a whole heap of coconut tree. Weird dream this morning, you know. Weird dream. My dream say wake up from this weird dream. The dream see me pass through this piece of land, and I saw a lot of coconut tree. Saw a lot of coconut tree. You see, a lot of young coconut tree and big coconut tree, and me have to go find out and see what the coconut them all about. You see it? So, any of you know what dreaming about coconut tree is all about? Leave it in the comment and let me know. There, yeah, rainforest. Yeah, look at that. They develop over that place, man. Look at that. Nice rainforest right there, and we are at the Montego Bay Freeport. So if you come into the wharf, you're gonna come down to you see the sign Montego Bay Freeport. You're gonna go around there. No, I'm not going around the roundabout. I have to go straight down. You can't get you there no more. I'm gonna go down this way. Yeah. And then we're gonna turn in. Yeah. Yeah. And then you make a right. So we are here, guys. That is the wharf over there. Yeah. The whole place is developed, man. Look at that. Yeah. Unbelievable. So hopefully I can get a parking or something like that. So guys, I finally reached the wharf. There it is over there. Yeah. So we have to wait behind the fence. We give a security guard or an employee our documents, and they take them to another office. They process them. Then we have to do the waiting game. Then they call us, and then they let us in. Then you got to sit again, and then it's a whole lot of rigmarole. But as I said, I'm taking all of this out of the equation for the person that have won their barrels, just to make it easier for them. You know, I didn't have to do it, but been doing this for years, and I know the headache, I know the heartaches, what comes with clearing a barrel from wharf, especially the wharf in Montego Bay. It is crazy, very hectic, chaotic sometimes. Yeah, so they have a little zinc thing out here, which what we have to wait. We have to literally wait outside in the heat. They not even provide a little air conditioned facilities for us where we're clearing barrels or picking up our items. Unbelievable. So as I said, I just give the security guard my documents, they're processing them. Then I got to wait for them to call me. And after they call me, I got to go way up yonder. There's another waiting area that I got to sit and wait. After wait, I got to go and pay some money in another area, come back down and wait. Oh, a lot of waiting game, guys. But I'm here early. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. I'm here early. So as I said, I don't have a lot of stuff. It's just food items in the 4 barrels. They don't have to be ransacking anything. So hopefully we can get everything out before 12 o'clock, because the winners them will be meeting up with me here at 12 noon so that they can get their items. So hopefully everything work out and we can let them get their stuff and head back home, because some of them are coming from Kingston, believe it or not. 2 of them are coming from Kingston, so I want to make sure they get their items and have enough time to go back home to their families. All right, so stay tuned, watch the progress and see what's going on. That's how we do it on Manix Robinson TV. So viewers, we got through just in time. Me to eat my breakfast, cause me no eat a 1 mango me eat from morning, you know, and them just call me just in time. Me I start eat my breakfast. See it, a bag Jamaican box juice, box drinks. I got some stew fish, some fried dumpling, callaloo. That we are programmed for breakfast, you know, people. You see it? See the wharf there? Yeah. So we are matched out some breakfast right now. So I don't say I can't eat my breakfast, call me up. So viewers, we have to go to another location again. Believe that. After that, no, we have to wait. But it's what I talk about. A whole heap of waiting. You know? Shit, good morning. No videoing. Inside. Yes, guys. Yes. People, we're back at it again. Yo, we just finish up collecting the barrels them, pay a custom officer, give the workers them a little grease palm and everything take care of. And right now, see the 4 barrel, that is the 4 barrel right there. And we have an individual already came all the way from Kingston to pick up our barrel. So we are going to meet her outside right now out of the gate and make the presentation. So people, watch what I go on. So we do it. Seems as if we're going to get some rain. People, we're hot in our mob here. Yeah, but give thanks to the big man upstairs. Everything work out. Everything that work out good so far. And as we say, one of the individuals that won one of the barrel, she's already outside. So no, no, they're gonna. I think they call collect at the gate. The guy collect at the gate. So let us see what's going on, people. We have to stop at another checkpoint, and then we are good to go. We pick up the barrels, all 4 barrels. It wasn't a hassle because the way how I pack the barrel, I pack them in such a way that I can take out the middle and it would be good. So it was easy because if they wanted to empty out the barrel so that they can see what's inside of it. But the way how I had packed the barrel, I packed them in such a way that I can take out the middle, go all the way down so that they can see down, straight down to the bottom of the barrel, and that was good. So she came, she saw how it was packed, she said, yo, good job. She told me to pack them back in, and that's it. Wasn't there long. It's just that the heat, man, is unbearable. So we collect them already. There is the 4 of them. One of the individuals is already outside of this gate waiting for her barrel. So we're gonna let she get it and let she be on her way back up to Kingston. Yeah, big up again to the donors that helped to make this thing possible, to make it a reality. All of you guys are super, you guys are awesome. Shernet, Ian, Jamie, Ron, Shernet, Navlet, Marge, Brian. Yo, you guys are super. Thank you again, guys, for making it possible. Sorry. Hello. Okay. Yes. Come all the way up. You're gonna see some cars, some trucks, and some cook shop. I'm outside waiting for you right now. All right, my brother. All right. So my viewer, this is the representative of Jodiana Daly. She could not made it, but she sent somebody to pick it up for her. And on behalf of Mannix Robinson TV and the donors that donate and make this possible, sister, I present to you this barrel and pray that you have a safe journey back up to Kingston. All right? Respect and blessing.
Thank you very much.
All right. That's it, my sister. That's it. All right. Here, that's I didn't take it off. All right. Blessings, my brother. Be safe. All right. All right, sis. So yes, viewers. So right here we have Mr. Delroy, one of the winners of one of the 4 barrel. You know, as I said, thanks again to all the donors, all the participants that have made the blessing project possible. And as you can see for yourself, we are in Jamaica. No joke, in Jamaica, beautiful Jamaica, under the boiling sun. Mr. Delroy is here right now, guys, to pick up what is his. So as you can see, this is his right now, and we're gonna take it off the truck, off the van, and we're gonna present it to him so that he can be on his way.
Right, this for you as a token.
Oh my God! Whoa, guys!
The favorite thing in the world, man.
Last time I wake up, I look for mango. 11 o'clock, I look for mango on the tree and couldn't find none. God working mysterious ways. Look at this, guys. You know what kind of mango this? East Indian. Not you.
Yeah.
Blessing.
Respect,
Blessing and honor, brother.
All
Blessing
right.
and honor. All right, thank you again. Thank you again. Guys, if we could have bring up two, forget two of the donors them, but you know we can't bring up mango up in America, then we take away from away. You see it? So guys, we're gonna do the presentation right now.
Help him with it.
Right. Thanks again everyone that have made this thing possible. The donors, the sponsors, everybody. Shernet, Yen, Ron, Jamie, all of you guys. Yo, big up on yourself every time. Alright? Yeah. Alright. You ready, my brother?
Secondly.
Thanks again, my brother. Be safe on your journey. Alright? God bless you. It was nice meeting you. Yes, my brother. Alright?
Alright, cool. Big up,
Yeah. So there we go again, guys. We just deliver one more barrel to one more winner. It is no scam, no joke. So we have two more individual to get them stuff. And we don't see if we can drop it off. And then we'll be on our way home. So guys, see you on the journey. Bless up on yourself. So Sandra, this is the thing. Just drop it off. So I'm just taking a short video to send it give to you just to confirm that your item have been dropped off. So sorry that you couldn't be able to pick it up, but yo, we make accommodation for you. Bless up to yourself, Sandra. One love, respect every time. All right. So yes, guys. So we just delivered the third. We just dropped off the third barrel. As I said, the individual couldn't made it down because of situation that I won't mention. But we just drop it off to a location that she will pick it up. So Sandra, don't worry yourself. You drop it off at the location that you gave me, and hopefully everything will be all right with you, and you will, you know, be able to pick up your barrel. All right. So guys, one more winner left to get their barrel, and then that is it. Busy day, guys. Busy day. Yeah, but you know, we make it come true. We make it possible, and thanks again for the donors, the sponsors, and you know, thanks also for Mr. Robinson to make his time available to help me through this busy day, because I alone can't do it, guys, you know. So I thank him for being here with me to get it done. So guys, we're hitting the road again. So see you when we reach at the final stop.
Mannix Robinson TV. Woo! I'm happy I'm one of the winner. To God be the glory.
Amen.
Hallelujah.
Amen.